Did you know that on our virtual studio we have thousands of free accessories that you can use? To find them, you just need to click here on Library, and you will have all our accessories. And if you're looking for something really specific, just add your keyword here. And accessories are not here just to look good, they serve your use case. For example, what's a visual for Halloween without a pumpkin? Here, if I add it on my scene, I can just play with the scale like this and make it bigger or smaller, and I can spin it, I can do whatever I want. Now, imagine a Black Friday promotion without any price tag. No, let's add one. Now, it's cool. And just like templates, working with accessories will help you to scale your content production and keeps your brand consistent. That's all. Let's change this small price tag by a Santa. Like this. And let's make the pink here, maybe, yeah, kind of gold. Nice! Now it's look like a Christmas template. Bye bye!